yeah, man. Oh, Jah, me was living in black and white until one beautiful day she came with a smile and painted colors across me island sky. Me was walking alone by the ocean shore, not knowing what life had waiting in store. The waves were quiet, the night was still. My heart was searching for a love so real. Then she appeared like the morning sun, a beautiful soul, a special one. Her smile carried a light so bright, turning my darkness into paradise. The palm trees move when she walked by, like nature was singing beneath the sky. The birds were dancing, the flowers grew. Everything changed the day me found you. Every color in the sunset glow reminds me of the love we know. Every star that shines above tells the story of our love. Her smile painted colors on my island sky, like a rainbow shining so high. She brought the sunshine into my heart, a beautiful love from the very start. Her smile painted colors on my island sky, a feeling money could never buy. Under the moon and ocean breeze, she brought my heart the sweetest peace. So girl, you changed my world with just one smile. Yeah, the reggae rhythm plays when she's near. Her voice is the sweetest sound we hear. Walking together beside the sea, living a dream made for you and me. Me don't need gold, me don't need fame, just hearing her call me name. Her love is the treasure me always keep, a feeling stronger than the ocean deep. When the rain falls and clouds appear, me hold her close and keep her near. Through every storm, through every tide, I'll be the one right by your side. Her smile painted colors on my island sky, brighter than the stars shining high. Every moment with her feels new, every beautiful dream comes true. Her smile painted colors on my island sky, a love that will never fade or die. The ocean waves and the morning sun know that she is my only one. Oh, Jah, oh, Jah. Some people search their whole life, oh, Jah, for a place that feels like home. Me found that place inside her smile. Years may pass and seasons change, but true love will still remain. The color she brought into my life will shine through every joy and strife. We'll watch the sunsets hand in hand, making memories across the sand. From island mornings to moonlit nights, her love will always be my light. No storm can wash this love away, no distance can make it fade. Because the moment she came to me, she changed my whole destiny. Her smile painted colors on my island sky, forever shining in my eyes. With Jah's blessing from above, we found a lifetime full of love. Her smile painted colors on my island sky, a beautiful dream that will never die. The waves may roll, the years may fly, but I love her beneath this sky. Oh, yeah. Forever grateful, forever in love. Yeah, man. Some sunsets are beautiful. Some islands are beautiful, but nothing compares to the smile that painted my world with colors. Her smile painted colors on my island sky. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, listen to the ocean tonight. The waves are talking, the stars are shining, but the sweetest song me ever hear is your heartbeat, echoing through the coral sea. The first time I saw your eyes, standing where the ocean meets the skies. The island breeze was moving slow, and I felt our love begin to grow. Your laughter sounded like a melody, a beautiful song carried by the sea. The coral reefs and the waves below started telling the story we know. We never searched for a love so deep, but Jah gave me something we want to keep. Your gentle heart, your loving ways, bring sunshine into all my days. Every wave that touches the shore makes me love you even more. Every star above the blue reminds me of my life with you. Your heartbeat echoes through the coral sea, a sweet island rhythm calling to me. Under the moon and tropical skies, I found forever inside your eyes. Your heartbeat echoes through the coral sea, like a love song written for you and me. No ocean wide, no distance far can change the love we are. Oh girl, me hear your heart across the Caribbean Sea. Walking barefoot where the water shine, feeling your hand holding mine. The palm trees sway with the island breeze, while our love flows like the endless seas. Me don't need diamonds, me don't need gold. Your loving heart is worth more than art. Every moment we share together feels like a dream that lasts forever. When the storms come and the skies turn gray, I'll stand beside you every day. Through every season, through every tide, I'll keep your love safe by my side. Your heartbeat echoes through the coral sea, the sweetest sound in this world to me. The ocean waves know our story true, because every wave reminds me of you. Your heartbeat echoes through the coral sea, a forever love flowing endlessly. From sunrise gold to moonlight blue, my heart will always choose you. Oh, Jah. The ocean has many voices, but one voice stands above them all. The voice of someone you truly love, and I found that voice inside your heart. Years will pass and the tides will turn, but this love will forever burn. We'll watch the sunset, we'll count the stars, knowing love brought us this far. The coral sea will keep our song, a reminder that our love is strong. Every memory, every dream will flow forever like a river stream. From the first hello to forevermore, you're the one my heart was searching for. coral sea. Yeah, man. The ocean remembers every love story. The waves remember every name, and mine will always remember the heartbeat that called me home. Your heartbeat echoes through the coral sea. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah. The moon was shining brighter than ever. The ocean was breathing softly, and the island breeze carried a melody. That was the night the palm trees sang about us. Yeah. Me remember walking by the ocean shore, a night so beautiful, me couldn't ask for more. The stars were dancing across the sky, while your beautiful eyes caught mine. The sand was warm beneath our feet. The reggae rhythm was slow and sweet. The waves were moving with perfect time, like they knew your heart was meant for mine. We never knew a moment could feel so true, until that night when we stood with you. The whole island seemed to understand when you placed your heart inside my hand. The moon was watching from above, the sea was singing songs of love. Every leaf that moved with the breeze whispered your name through the trees. The night the palm trees sang about us underneath the Caribbean moon. The stars were shining all around us, dancing to our lovers' tune. The night the palm trees sang about us, a memory time can't erase. Two hearts moving together slowly in a beautiful island place. Oh girl, that night changed everything. Your smile was glowing in the moonlight, making the whole world feel so right. The ocean waves were rolling near, like they were singing for us to hear. We don't need treasures from far away. Your love is enough every single day. Your gentle touch, your loving soul is the peace that makes my heart whole. The island breeze carried our laughter high, like a message floating across the sky. And every star that watched us there knew there was something special in the air. The night the palm trees sang about us, when our hearts became one song. The ocean knew our love was special, a feeling that would last so long. The night the palm trees sang about us, forever written in the sand. A love story blessed by Jah above, two hearts walking hand in hand. Oh Jah, some nights are just nights, but some nights become forever. Some moments disappear, but some moments live inside the heart. And that night will always belong to us. Years may pass and seasons may change, but that memory will still remain. We look back when we're old and gray and smile about that magical day. We place, that one beautiful night when the whole island sang about you and me. The night the palm trees sang about us. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, the ocean is calling, the island breeze is blowing, but the most beautiful thing we ever see was the love shining inside your eyes. Me was walking through life without a plan, searching for something we couldn't understand. The waves were moving, the skies were blue, until the day me came across you. Your eyes were shining like island stars, a beauty brighter than the moon from afar. One look from you changed everything, like a bird discovering it could sing. The palm trees dance when you walk by, the clouds disappeared from the sky. Me felt a feeling so pure and true, like Jah had finally led me to you. Every time I look into your eyes, me see a future beneath the skies. A love so deep, a love so real, a happiness me can truly feel. I found forever in your island eyes, a love shining brighter than paradise. Under the palm trees, beside the sea, you found a way to complete me. I found forever in your island eyes, a beautiful dream beneath tropical skies. No ocean wide, no distance far could ever change the way you are, oh girl. We found my home inside your island eyes. Inside your island eyes. Oh, yeah. Walking with you along the shore, me feel a love me never felt before. The reggae rhythm fills the air, and every moment shows how much you care. Me don't need diamonds, me don't need gold. Your loving heart is worth more than all. Your smile brings sunshine to my day. Your love guides me along the way. When the storms come and the nights get long, your love reminds me to stay strong. Through every season, through every tide, we'll always keep you by my side. I found forever in your island eyes, where my heart feels alive. The ocean waves and stars above witness our endless love. I found forever in your island eyes, a treasure no money can buy. With every sunrise, every night, your love keeps my world shining bright. Oh, Jah. Some people search the whole world for a place where they belong, but me found my paradise the moment me looked into her eyes. Years may pass and the tides may change, but true love will still remain. We'll watch the sunset hand in hand, leaving our footprints across the sand. We'll laugh about the memories we made, the promises kept, the love we saved. From island mornings to moonlit nights, your love will always be my life. No storm can break what we have grown, because together we built our home. And when the stars begin to shine, you'll still see forever in your eyes. I found forever in your island eyes, a love that reaches beyond the skies. With treasures. The ocean has many stories, but the greatest treasure me ever found was the love shining in your eyes. I found forever in your island eyes. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, feel the island breeze, feel the rhythm tonight. Some love comes like a gentle rain, but some love comes like a fire that warms the soul. Me was living like a quiet island night, moving through life without a guiding light. The ocean was calm, the skies were blue, but something was missing until me found you. Then you came like the morning sun and showed me a love that had just begun. Your smile brought colors into my day. Your loving heart chased the clouds away. The palm trees moved when you walked me in, like the whole island wanted you here. The waves were singing a brand new song, a melody where my heart belongs. Every heartbeat, every flame calls me softly by your name. Your love is stronger than the sea, it's the fire living inside of me. Your love set fire to my Caribbean soul, a beautiful flame that made me whole, like sunshine burning across the sky. You gave my spirit wings to fly. Your love set fire to my Caribbean soul, a treasure more precious than gold. Through every storm and every tide, your love will always be my guide. Oh girl, you brought the fire inside my soul. Me don't need diamonds shining bright, your love is my morning light. Me don't need castles by the sea, your art is everything to me. The reggae rhythm starts to play when you smile and look my way. The ocean breeze knows our story true. Every wave reminds me of you. When the rain falls on the island ground, your love is the peace that I have found. Through every struggle, every fight, you keep my heart feeling alive. Your love set fire to my Caribbean soul, a flame that never loses control. Under the moon and tropical skies, I see forever in your eyes. Your love set fire to my Caribbean soul, a love that makes my spirit whole. No distance, no time, no changing sea can take this love away from me. Oh Jah, some fires burn and disappear, but the fire of true love keeps shining year after year. And the flame you started will forever live in me. Years may pass and seasons change, but our love will still remain. We'll watch the sunsets come and go, still feeling the same love we know. We'll dance beneath the island moon, singing a forever love song tune. The world may turn and oceans may move, but nothing can change the love we prove. From the first moment you came my way, you brought sunshine greatest fire is the love inside the heart. Your love set fire to my Caribbean soul. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, feel the island breeze tonight. The ocean is moving slow, the stars are shining bright. Two hearts, one rhythm, floating together on a tropical breeze. Me remember the day when our story began, walking along the shore, holding your hand. The sun was shining, the sky was blue, and my heart felt something special with you. The palm trees whispered through the evening air, like they knew our love was growing there. The waves were dancing beneath our feet, moving along to our reggae beat. Me wasn't looking for a love so true, but Jah had a plan when me found you. A beautiful soul, a heart so kind, the greatest treasure me could ever find. Like a feather carried by the wind, our journey was ready to begin. No fear, no worries, no looking back. Love was the path that we chose to walk. Two hearts floating on a tropical breeze, moving together like waves on the seas. Under the sunshine, under the moon, dancing forever to our island tune. Two hearts floating on a tropical breeze, living a dream among palm trees. With your hand in mine, I feel so free. You are my island destiny, oh girl. Forever you and me, floating on this tropical breeze. Oh, the reggae music plays in the night, the stars above are shining bright. Your laughter sounds like a beautiful song, a melody where my heart belongs. Me don't need riches, me don't need gold. Your loving heart is worth more than all. Every smile and every embrace brings happiness to this special place. When the storm comes across the sea, I'll still be standing faithfully. Through every season, through every tide, I'll keep your love right by my side. Two hearts floating on a tropical breeze, like a dream carried across the seas. The ocean knows the love we share, a bond that will always be there. Two hearts floating on a tropical breeze, where our souls can finally breathe. With Jah's blessing shining above, we found a lifetime filled with love. Oh Jah, some hearts meet by chance, but some hearts are guided by something greater. Like the wind guides the waves, love guided me to you. Years may pass and the seasons turn, but this love will continue to burn. We'll watch the sunrise hand in hand, walking together across the sand. We'll remember these island days, the ocean nights and sunset rays. Every memory we create will remind us love was worth the wait. No distance can separate our souls, no storm can break what love controls. Because two hearts that beat as one will keep shining like the morning sun. Two hearts floating on a tropical breeze, forever sailing across the seas under the stars, beneath the sky. Our love will continue to fly. Two hearts floating on a tropical one love, yeah man.